Now, this is the most exciting part of the month, right? When I do my Boxycharm unboxing videos. I just received mine today and I was like so pissed off. If you guys seen me on my Instagram story, I was telling you guys how my freaking FedEx guy just tossed my box. And that kind of bothers me because sometimes things do come broken and we're over here blaming Boxycharm. Boxycharm has to like replace our items and I think it's so unfair. These FedEx guys really need to freaking... Sorry about that rant. I'm Tracy. Welcome to my channel. I do invite you to subscribe down below and also turn on post notifications so that you do not miss out on any of my videos. I am having giveaways this month. I am actually doing a little giveaway in my previous video if you want to go ahead and check that out. I'm going to link it up here as well. In case you are new to Boxycharm, you don't know what it is, I am here to explain it to you. It is a monthly subscription box for $21 and they send you 5 to 6 full-size beauty products. They switch up every single month and it honestly helps build a makeup collection. I would not have the amount of makeup that I do have if it wasn't for Boxycharm, so I'm really grateful for this type of subscription. If you're interested in signing up, I do have an affiliate link down below in which I do make commission from that and it just supports my channel, so I really appreciate it. I'm going to put a timestamp here in the way that I do my reviews. I like to take the pamphlet and show you guys each of the products that is in the box. I tell you the price and the description of what the product is supposed to do. I tell you the overall value of the box and then I move on to the try-on in which I create a makeup look using all the products from the box and I came up with this look here. Then after the try-on, I go ahead and just review each of the products and whether it met its description from the pamphlet. So if you're interested in seeing how I came about this look or knowing how the products work, then just keep watching.
There's a hope that's waiting for you in the dark. You should know you're beautiful just the way you are.
This is a pamphlet that we're receiving in this month's box and the theme is Gold Digger. Not Gold Digger, Gold Digger. That sounds the same, right? The first item that we received in the box is the Cover FX glitter drops. These ultra concentrated drops of multi-dimensional glitter create a high impact reflective finish that wows. This multi-use glitter can be used alone under or over makeup or mixed with your foundation or moisturizer for an incredibly luxe glitter effect on the face and body. And this retails for $44. The next item that we received in the box is this Ace Beauty Grandoise palette. This is featuring 4 shimmer shades and 4 bold matte. Your new Grandoise palette has all you need to create unlimited eye looks. These eyeshadows were carefully milled and pressed to deliver intense pigmentation and easy blending. This palette retails for $24.99. And then we received the Luxie Luminous Eye Set. Add a little sparkle to your brush collection with the unlimited Boxycharm collaboration. The Luxie Luminous Eye Set features 4 synthetic eye brushes exclusively wrapped for Boxycharm. Hold on, I need my glasses. The Luxie 141 Mini Brush is perfect for smudging or smoking out your lower lash line, while the Luxie 121 Mini Tapered Brush lets you effortlessly blend your crease color. The Luxie 111 Mini Flat Angled Brush lets you blend out harsh lines or pack on cream products to your lid, and the Luxie 131 Mini Angled can add a pop of color to your brow bone and precisely place color onto your crease. The set of these 4 brushes retail for $21. Then we received the Jante Blue Glittering Star Eyeliner. Sparkle up your glam with Jante Blue Glittering Star Eyeliner. This specially formulated black glitter eyeliner pencil glides on smoothly, leaving behind a long-lasting and subtle shimmer you'll completely adore, and this retails for $5. We also received the Lashaholic Lashes Insta Glam False Eyelashes. Elevate your eye look with a new Lashaholic Lashes. These 100% vegan falsies made from premium silk fibers gives you lashes dimension, natural looking length, and volume. These retail for $14.99. I'm currently wearing the eyelashes, and if you want to know how I came about this look using all these products that I just showed you, then just keep watching. about the glitter drops. My dropper is not working. I don't know what the hell's wrong with it, but it's not picking up any product. I have to just kind of like dip in there. The highlight is really pretty. I'm just not a fan of liquid highlighters. I feel like they're a little bit more difficult to blend, and that's just my personal opinion. What I can say is that I really like how it looks on my hair. I'll definitely be using it for that purpose. For the Grandiose palette, I really love the color scheme. I love pinks, I love the warm colors, and all of the shimmers are so beautiful. I definitely can see myself reaching out for this quite often. I had no problem in blending any of the eyeshadows, and I think this look came out very, very pretty. I ain't mad at it. And for the brushes, I don't have any brushes that are like this in my brush collection. So I'm pretty happy about these because they're really small, they're cute, and they're easy to use whenever you do cut creases or any type of looks where you have to be very precise. So I'm very happy with these. And then the Jonte Blue eyeliner, I mean, I think it looks pretty cool if I do looks like that. As far as it gliding on easily, I don't think it glides on easily, and you can't be mad at $5. And then lastly, the lashes. I feel like these lashes are really pretty when you're going for a subtle look or like a no makeup look. I just feel like with the palette that we received, we should have received some more dramatic lashes, but these are the style that I got them in, Insta Glam. So maybe you guys receive different eyelashes, or maybe you guys don't receive eyelashes at all. I don't know. Alright guys, and that's it for this try on and review. I really hope that you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Keep in mind, giving my video a thumbs up does help my video get out there and be seen by other people, so I really appreciate your guys' support here on my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!